101. We have narrated to you, O Prophet, some of the stories of those stories. Surely their messengers came to them and with clear proofs, but still they would not believe in what they had already denied. This is how Allah seals their hearts of the disbelievers. 102. We did not find most of them true to their covenant. Rather, we found most of them truly rebellious. 103. Then after them we sent Moses in our signs to Pharaoh and his chiefs, but they wrongfully rejected them. See what was the end of the corruptors. 104. And Moses said, O Pharaoh, I am truly a messenger from the Lord of all worlds, obliged to say nothing about Allah except the truth. Indeed, I have come to you with clear proof from your Lord, so let the children of Israel go with me. Pharaoh said, if you have come with a sign, then bring it if what you say is true. So Moses threw down his staff, and behold, it became a real snake. Then he drew out of his collar, and it was shining white for all to see. 109. The chief of Pharaoh's people said, he is indeed a skilled magician. 110. Who seeks to drive you from your land? So Pharaoh asked, what do you propose? 111. They replied, let him and his brother wait and mobilize to all cities. 112. To bring you every clever magician. 113. The magician came to Pharaoh saying, shall we receive a suitable reward if we prevail? 114. He replied, yes, and you will certainly be among those closest to me. 115. They asked Moses, will you cast or shall we be the first to cast? 116. Moses said, you first. So when they did, they deceived the eyes of the people, stunned them, and made a great display of magic. 117. We inspired Moses, throw down your staff, and behold, it devoured the objects of their illusion. 118. So the truth prevailed and their illusions failed. 119. So Pharaoh and his people were defeated right there and put to shame. 120. And the magician fell down prostrating. 121. He declared, wow, we now believe in the Lord of all worlds. 122. The Lord of Moses and Aaron. 123. The Pharaoh threatened, how dare you believe in him before I gave you permission? This must be a conspiracy you derived in the city to drive out its people, but soon you will see. 124. I will certainly cut off your hands and feet on opposite sides, then crucify you all. 125. They responded, surely to our Lord we all return.